Today, my dreams come true.
This episode, we head out to Little Black Reef, and as Dion says, our dreams come true. Hope you enjoy.
Epic pre-sunrise with just a slither of moon. It's there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's amazing.
So we're travelling nicely. We're doing around 5 knots. And the sea state's a little bit rolly, but it's not too bad. Slick stars over there, smashing it out. Vinny just woke up. Morning, Vin. He's our little morning boy. Rennie is still asleep, and she'll probably be asleep for a while. But yeah, struggling a little bit to keep it on course. But the sun's almost up, not quite yet. Whoa, very nice size. Lovely. I did feel like a bit of sashimi.
Oh yeah. So we're just driving into the lagoon and we're looking out for bommies. And Laura's already gone. But anyway, both of the kids needed to poo. So now Laura's down there and just navigating in here. Do you copy? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. This is the point.
Salty Sings. Do you copy?
Toy Tins, Big Puppy.
Salty Sing status is when you arrive somewhere and it's been rough. You go outside and you eat the salt off the windows like this. And traditionally it's also done with no pants on. Then you become a salty sing. Pretty salty.
Stay. Come here. She's so excited. Calm down. Calm down. You got your puppy life jacket on.
It actually fits her now.
Yeah, fits quite well actually.
Alright,
Taylor, come.
are we going?
Come, Mommy. Yep. So, come, I can help you. I can help you.
Bye.
Alright, let's go back. Sunrise, day 1 at the reef.
What's going on today, Dion?
We're just loading up. That reminds me I need to... Anyway, loading up the tender. And go on spearfishing.
Woohoo! Kids are gonna go to their friend's house.
Yeah.
Go hang out with Zara. That'll be fun. What do we got here, Dion?
Just a morning's effort.
How good. Went for a spear at
Finally
Little
got a
Black Reef.
cray.
How good's that? It's a very nice cray.
Gotta put him down that way first, I think. No, I've never done this before. Some garlic granules. I like garlic granules because they've got the best flavour. Better than unless you buy really expensive jar garlic. It's the only other way to get good tasting garlic pretty much in Queensland. Alright.
And some pepper.
Bit of pepper. And put the lid down and tuck our trout in there. Excited about this.
Are you excited for one?
Yeah.
Nice. Look at that.
Today,
Crayfish.
My dreams come true. Have a look in here. Hey Vinny and Ren, do you want to have a look at what we've cooked in here? You guys help with
Wow,
this one.
smells good.
Oh, look at that.
Whoa, bean, cold trout. What do you reckon, Dion?
Oh, this is so good. I was
So-
just saying I love hunting for my lunch.
And what's the time frame? Like,
But not taste bad.
how long from the ocean to the table?
Oh, maybe an hour, I reckon.
Mm-hmm. Look at that cold trout.
Excuse me.
How did you cook it? Just whole with lemons and limes?
Whole with just lime, garlic, pepper, butter. I just scaled it and then did it in foil on the grill. Ready? It's a bit hot. Ready for it? There you go. Take it.
Ooh. Is that good? How is it? Is it delicious?
You need to try it.
Yeah.
It's so good.
I'm gonna eat it now. There's never a dull moment with boating. We're towing Josh now. At least you got a beer. Boat jobs.
Do you want us just to tow you back to yours? Tie it up, jump in here? Yeah, right, yeah.
You've been gone.
Day 2 of spearfishing. Woo! Are you gonna get another cray today?
I don't know. We'll see. I'll try.
Dion just flagged me over. He's got something. Nice little trout. Oh, looks like there's a shark around. Wanna grab it?
Yep.
Woohoo!
Went up downtown. Went up downtown. Went up downtown. I want to save my soul. Went up downtown. Went up downtown. Went up downtown.
Thank you if you've made it to the end of this video. We are just starting out, and as you can see, I'm so stoked to have gotten such a prized fish. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I shot this, so I shot it here. The spear didn't go through, and it like knocked it out, and it quickly like it torpedoed up out of the water, and it was on the surface, and I ran. I mean, I didn't run. I swam after it, and then grabbed it.